This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to scan documents on an iPhone 15 Pro Max. First, open the Notes application on your device. Look for the camera icon, typically found near the bottom right of your screen, and tap it. A small menu will then pop up, offering several choices. From these options, select Scan Documents to begin your scanning process smoothly and effectively. For the best scan quality, place your document on a flat, evenly lit surface. Then, hold your iPhone 15 Pro Max directly above it, making sure the entire document fits within the frame on your screen. Your phone will intelligently detect the document's edges and automatically capture the image for you. If for some reason the automatic capture does not engage, simply tap the shutter button or one of the volume buttons to take the picture manually. Once your document is captured, your iPhone will present it with adjustable corners. You can easily drag these small circular handles at each corner to precisely define the document's boundaries. Make sure all important text and images are included, while any unwanted background is carefully cropped out. If you are not satisfied with the clarity or framing, you have the option to retake the scan, or if it looks good, simply tap Keep Scan to proceed. After you keep scan, your iPhone provides the option to add more pages to the same document. Simply repeat the positioning and capturing steps for each subsequent page you wish to include. Each new page will be neatly added to your current document, forming a multi-page file. When you have finished scanning all necessary pages, locate and tap the Save button in the bottom right corner to complete and store your multi-page document.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.